So hi friends, welcome back to our channel Coins and Currency. So friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about an online auction. So due to the corona lockdown, so all the exhibitions which are going to be held at Delhi and West Bengal, Kolkata, so they have been cancelled due to the corona lockdown. So friends, don't worry. So today in this video I was going to say you about an online auction where you can sell or buy the currency or coins which you wish to sell or buy. So friends, for the clean and perfect information, do not skip the video. So this is very informative and interesting video. Try to watch the video from the beginning to the end. So friends, my request to all of you is to avoid the spreading of coronavirus, so which is named as COVID-19. So all of you guys stay home and stay safe, and a minute mistake made by you could affect your entire family. So once again, stay home, stay safe. So getting into the video, here it is. Okay friends, now I will show you the process for the participation of the auction. So firstly you should go through the Google search engine or any search engine, and you have to type www.collectorbazaar.com. Here it is. So after clicking this, so we will find a lot of websites, so as similar to this. Here you can observe a lot of websites which all belong to Collector Bazaar. So the main, so first we should select the main website. So here is the home page of the website. So here we can find the poster of the website. First online auction of philately and paper ephemera. So it is being conducted from 15th May to 31st May. So it means of 17 days. So this is a huge time to buy or sell your coins or the currency notes here. So friends, here we can find the website even www.collectorbazaar.com, so which is a poster. Firstly, we should select the category which we are checking for. So if you are checking for the stamps, so here you should select the stamps, or if you are checking for the coins, so you should select coins, or if you are searching for the banknotes, so you should select banknotes. So the first process I was saying is to buy the products. So after selecting the category, so you should give here specification of the category. So if you are searching for the Philippines note, so type here Philippines and select the search option. So here we can find the currency notes of Philippines. So just below that we can find the denomination and the price of the note. So here we find a few percentage of discount even. So here we find this. So these were very old notes, so valuable and good for collectors. So only these three notes were available of Philippines country. So if you wish to buy any of the notes, so you should select add to cart option. So friends, before that, so for buying you should give your registration here. So first you should give your first name and the last name and the email address and the mobile number and country name, and you should give a new password for your account here, login. So after that you should select I am not a robot and should tick the option here. So if it is if it is already ticked, so you need not to disturb it, and at last you should select the register option. So after this filling the details and being registered, so you will get open your account. So I had already registered through this, so I will log into this. with my registered ID and password. So here it is, my account. You can find it here. So let's check another category. So let's check for coins. So after selecting the coins category, so here you should give the country name or which type of coins are you searching for. So I was trying to check America. After that, search button. So here we can find the United States coins. So United States of America, USA 1951 portrait, and the price of the coin. So here we can find. So friends, here after selecting a coin to, if you wish to buy this coin, so after login, so you should go through the option add to cart, and so here you can see whatever the coins or the currency notes you have been selected for the buying purpose. So all these will be in the cart option. So here you will get a price details, subtotal, and shipment charges, and also discount if available on the coin or the note which particular. So the total amount, and if you wish to order this, so you should select checkout option. So here the main point comes. So you should give the billing and delivery information very perfectly. So by this you will get the product very fastly and accurately. So you should give your first name and second name and the address and the mail ID and phone number and zip code. Zip code means pin code, and city name, state name, and country name. So here you should give select the option my delivery is same. So by this you will get the same details in the below too, and here the once again confirmation. So if you select on the confirm order, they will ask you the payment methods. So you should select the payment methods and give the details. So then your order will be placed, and your order will be delivered to your home in a few time. So friends, if you wish to sell the coins here, sell the coins or currency, so then you should go through another option. So it is just, you should come to the bottom of the page. So here in the home page you should come to the bottom. So here you should select seller login. So if you have already logged in to the seller auction, so you should log in. So if you are new to this option, so you should select seller registration. So here you should give your entire details very perfect manner. So you should not give any of the false or fake ID proofs. So the product you have submitted in the website will be kept with your price, with a price, suitable price. So if any person had interested in buying that, so they will deposit you the money in your account directly. So for that purpose, so you should give your accurate details. So first username and company name and established type. So here you can find a lot of established types, and your email ID, mobile number, PAN number. If you had PAN number, so you can even provide that, and contact, GST number, bank name, account number, account type, IFSC code, address, state, city, and you should provide a GST certificate photo here, and the PAN card photo here, and bank statements or cancelled check here. And you should select the I am not a robot, accepted terms and condition with privacy policy, and you should submit your details here. And after submission, so you can submit your photos of the coins or the notes, and you can sell them here. So friends, this is the video for today. So if you like the video, then please do like, share and comment your opinions and doubts. So meet you in the next video friends. Until then, take care. Bye bye.